एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों को फिर से एक नए वीडियो में एंड वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद वन न्यू वीडियो एंड इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस वन ऑफ माय ट्रेनी एंड ही इज गोइंग टू डू कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी एंड यू विल सी हाउ टू डू कॉन्वर्सेशन बिकॉज जब हम इंग्लिश को सीखते हैं इन द बिगिनिंग टाइम वी नीड अ काइंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन वी विल बी एबल टू communicate, we will be able to do conversation anywhere. So let's start this conversation with my trainee. Okay, all right. So my trainee name is Anupam. First of all, Anupam, introduce yourself because all the viewers are there and they are watching you.
Yes, sir. Thank you to giving me this opportunity, sir. Here, my name is Anupam Mishra, and I am from Pandepur, Narni. My father name is Mr. Balwant Kumar Mishra,
Right.
and he is a farmer.
Okay. I would like to ask the first question, and the first question is related to you. What's your favorite color?
Sir, my favorite color is brown.
Okay. And can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you feel and how do you improve your English language?
Sir, in initial time, when I come here, I saw many more of trainees are doing practice hard.
Okay.
In their way, I saw them.
All right.
He is in the top of way
Okay.
that speaking English fluently and get their job in very well condition.
Okay.
I saw him and I have sir I don't believe on them. How they speak
And how they are
talk.
talking and how
Yes,
they are
sir.
speaking, right?
Yes, sir. I admire them. I practice more and more at my home, and then I will do a fluent talk.
Still, you have not completed your course, and
Yes, sir.
you are speaking on the top, and you are speaking with your highest enthusiasm. So, can you please tell me what kind of things that we need in the beginning time when we learn English, when we improve our knowledge, or when we develop our personality, or whatever? So, what do we need in the beginning time? Because so many viewers are there, they are watching you, and they are observing you properly that how you are improving English. Because for the first time, I am making video with you, and right now, as you can see, that. I'm asking so many questions, and it's a really great thing that you are answering me all questions. So first of all, I would like to ask that what kind of things that we need in the beginning time.
Yes, sir. Sir, in term of in that condition, we can do a little practice at the starting point.
All right.
Initially,
What do we need in the beginning time?
sir, we need confidence. A little confidence can make you
All right.
at the highest point of speaking English.
All right.
Like in confidence of speaking new words.
Okay. New words. You mean to say new words?
Yes,
Learning
sir.
all the new words.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Some phrases, new words.
All right.
Talking with other.
Okay.
Talking with unknown.
What kind of topics like tense, models? What do we need in the beginning time?
Sir, I think it is the tense who makes you
All right.
a best talker.
Okay.
Speaker.
You mean to say tense is very important in the beginning time. You must have the knowledge of present tense, past tense, and future tense. And when you have the knowledge of present, past, and future, then you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. So, what do you want to say to all the viewers? So, what do they need in the beginning time? Like they also need tense, or they need some different kind of topics.
Sir, in particular term, we need tense, but in a special term, we also need models,
All right.
verbs,
Okay.
preposition, and other things that can make you a good speaker
All right.
and a fluent speaker that can change
Okay.
their emotion, their speakness, and their liabilities.
Okay. Can you please tell me when we learn tense like चुका है, चुकी है, रहा है, रही है, don't you think कि हम लोग को इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी in the beginning time, or we need a situational English?
Sir, at the basic moment in academic, we learn चुका है, चुकी है, या वो गया, था, थे, ती,
All right.
present indefinite.
All right. All right.
But in that time, we need a situation to create the sentences. We have to learn that.
All right. You mean to say we don't need चुका है, चुकी है. I mean at this moment we
Yes,
need
sir.
a kind of situational English.
Yes.
So what do you think about situational English is going to be outstanding, or चुका है, चुकी है, and रहा, रही है? I mean it is going to be outstanding.
Sir, it have both nature. In term of चुका है, चुकी है, we can appreciate them, them boys, कि how do how to do practice in situational English
Alright.
to accept the chuka hai chuki hai concept.
You mean to say that chuka hai chuki hai is not important? You need a situational English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me change the question. The next question goes to you. What do you think about your family?
Sir,
How many members are there, and what they are, and how they are doing their, how they are living their life, and how they are doing, and what kind of people are there?
sir, first of all, I have a nuclear family in which 4 members are. Sir, my father and my mother and my big sister.
Right? What is your big sister?
Sir, my big sister is teacher.
Okay. And can I know about your father? What is your father, and what does he do?
Yes, sir. My father is a priest and also a businessman.
Okay. What kind of business does your father run?
Sir, it's an RCM company.
Okay. He works in RCM,
Yes, sir.
RCM company. Okay. What is your mother?
Sir, my mother is a housemaid.
Does your mother pamper you?
Yes, sir.
She pampers.
She pampers me.
Okay. Does your mother always pamper you, or she pampers in in some situation, or at a particular moment?
Sir, in right way, she pampers me, but in wrong way, they scold me to do the work.
She always calls you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really fantastic, and that's really amazing that we must care of our family, and we must be grateful that we have family, and mother is there, father is there, sister is there. That's really fantastic. Okay.
Yeah.
The next question goes to you. Whenever you come in the class, how do you practice? Because so many trainees, they always come in the class, they learn English, they improve personality, and they improve so many things. So how do you improve your English language, and how do you improve your personality development, and so many things?
Sir, in my way, according to me, I went to the home, and then I was standing at the front of mirror,
Okay, in front of mirror,
Yes,
you
sir.
stand, all right?
and then I was stuck. Sir, I
Wherever
was
you
starting
stuck.
talk, and then I do practice about new sentences, new words,
Alright.
how to pronunciate them,
Okay.
how to get fluent them, and something other things like how to stand, how to talk,
Okay.
how to move your hands and emotion on the
Oh
face.
my God, that's
And-
really fantastic. I appreciate your enthusiasm. I appreciate your, whatever you are doing right now,
Yes.
and you just do at your home. That's really fantastic, and that's
Yeah.
really amazing. I'm super thrilled. I'm super excited that you are doing, and you are just, just
Doing practice,
experiencing
yes,
these all kind of things, and that's really fantastic. And viewers, let me clarify. जैसे आप practice करते हो, कहीं ना कहीं आप कहीं भी wherever you are, just stand and speak in front of mirror. Just watch your body language, watch your personality, watch your hand movements, how your hands are moving. So these all are the very important things in the beginning time, and if you are doing these all things, it's really outstanding. And if you practice on the daily basis, you will see a remarkable change wherever you will go. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right, sir.
Okay. Well, can you please tell me, whenever you are at your home, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of things do you like to do there? You like to waste your time, or do you like to just utilize your time?
Sir, I like to utilize my time in such a different way.
In which way you utilize your time?
Sir, in my way, I used to play some new games like hockey, which doesn't play any other places.
So you are not in
Sir-
you are not in the habit of playing indoor games. You are always in the habit of playing outdoor games, right?
Sir, I have both.
Uh-huh.
I have both personality to play indoor and outdoor games also.
What kind of games do you play? What kind of games do you play? I'm talking in terms of indoor games.
Sir, in terms of indoor games, I like to play Ludo, Carom,
All right,
chess.
all right. And in
And
terms
other
of
things.
outdoor games,
Sir, in outdoor game, I play so many more of games.
okay.
Sir, I can
Do
tell
you
them.
like cricket?
Sir, yeah, I like cricket.
Well,
And I
I
love.
don't have any idea about cricket,
Sir.
but do you like badminton?
Yes, sir. I'm pro in badminton.
Okay, that's really fantastic. Let me
I'm a big hitter.
let me see you in the ground.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me see you in the ground. So, can you please add some more games that you play outdoor?
Yes, sir. Its name is volleyball.
Okay, you mean
Yes,
to say
sir.
you play volleyball?
And sir, I'm a great kicker in football.
You have ability to play cricket, you have ability to play volleyball, and
Yes, sir.
especially badminton, and you are the pro player, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really fantastic, and that's really a kind of enthusiasm that you always do. Okay, can you please tell me, what do you think about English language? It is important or not important, or it is important for connecting with people, or it is important for only in academic life, or in institute, or somewhere? What do you think about English language? Is it important or not?
Sir, in term of English language, we can say if it is situational, then then it is very important.
All right.
But if it not in situation, then why we use English?
Why we use their language, right?
Yeah, sir.
Wherever we need, then we should speak, and
Yes,
wherever
sir.
we don't need, we don't need to show
Sir,
our
what
English
is the
language.
use of speaking that?
Okay.
Sir, in term of situation, like a foreigner comes to India, then he asking for help.
Yeah, all right. He is asking for,
For help.
Yeah.
Then I go there. Then I will go there and help him
All right.
or her to secure them.
To protect them.
Yeah, sir. To fulfill their needs, to fulfill their mankind.
Right.
They appreciate the India,
Okay.
how they are, how they feel, how they react.
And you mean to
And
say,
sir,
you mean
I
to
want
say,
to make
Atithi Devo
India.
Bhava, right?
Yes, sir.
Atithi Devo Bhava,
Yes,
right?
sir. I like to make India a high five.
Okay,
sir.
okay. That's really amazing that you have such kind of thinking and imagination, right? Okay, the last question goes to you.
Yes, sir.
And that question must be related to your personality. What do you do in your free time when you are absolutely not in the mood of reading something? So what do you do in that particular moment?
Sir, I sit in a corner and then I think what I do all the day.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
You mean to say you just make some, you just make
Make a list, sir.
you make list. I'm not talking about making list. You
Yeah.
just checklist
Yes,
all
sir.
the points and all the whatever you have to do list, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I do is in evening time. Sir, like what I do, what I did,
Okay.
and
What will I do? Yes.
Yes,
That's
sir.
really amazing. That's really fantastic approach to get success. That's really fantastic approach to go in life, to go and get ahead in your, get ahead in your life. That's
Yes, sir.
really amazing. That's incredible. That's really, I can say that you are doing great job in terms of your knowledge, in terms of study, in terms of getting success. And you know, when you follow and when we follow these all kind of habits, you must have heard the name of that book, Atomic Habit. We always take a small step, and if we take a small step, definitely we will go to the next, and we will do up to the mark, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, you just check all the things, and then what do you do?
Sir, I sit behind to my father
Okay.
and I listen what they tell others and what they advises other, because
You
my
mean
father,
to say you observe?
Yes, sir.
You understand the communication is
Yeah, sir.
Okay, that's
Because
that's good way to, that's fantastic approach to get something and to find something.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
My father have a good, sir. He is a good speaker.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, he attend business meetings and other things like to, sir, sir, attract other people to their way.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. They have a special quality.
Okay, they
To
have
do that.
different communication skill.
Yeah,
they
sir.
have different communication skill approach, right?
Of
Okay,
course, sir.
that's really amazing. Anupam, I'm absolutely overwhelmed that you are speaking well, and that's really fantastic. Congratulations for your future, and may God bless you with so many enthusiasm, with the highest potential, with energy, and so many things are there. That's really amazing. And for the next, whenever I will call you for the next video, or just prepare yourself up to the mark.
Yes,
And this is the perfect time that you are improving. Still, your course is not over. You are speaking well. You are doing great job. You are getting everything in a systematic way. You have understood tense. You have understood preposition, conjunction. You have understood models, and these topics that you have mastered. You have achieved each and every point. So from the next time, just try to work upon your vocabulary. Okay, work upon advanced structures, and definitely you are going to hit that. You are going to win that. And
Yes,
viewers,
sure.
let me clarify that whatever he is speaking, It's all about enthusiasm, right?
Yes.
It's all about energy. It's all about focus. When you are at your home, try to practice as much as you can. Try to work hard as much as you can. Try to use those all words, and definitely you will see a remarkable change in your personality. Till then, keep practicing as much as you can. And I always say, if you really want to speak English fluently, do only one thing, and that is stop wishing, start speaking. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, everyone.